Okay, we are working on Microsoft Official Academic Course Lab Manual, Configuring Windows Devices for exam 70-697. We're going to be doing exercise 3.3, which is installing User State Migration Tool. The only machine I have open right now is the domain controller, so I'm going to minimize out of my dashboard. And if you followed along in the setup video, you should have this file. Software, and we're going to go ahead and double click the ADK setup and then run. Okay, we're going to click on next. No, and next. Accept. Here we want to select everything except User State Migration Tool. This is the only thing we want. And then go. We're going to let this run. I'm going to click on pause on the video until this is done. It's going to take a good couple of minutes. Okay, so now that we're done, we're going to click on close. That is the end of exercise 3.3.